to my channel. I'm so happy that you stopped by to craft with me today. Friends, what I have for you today is a quick tutorial on how to decorate this big bee that I made. I will be sharing the pattern with you, and it'll probably be in 3 pages. But friends, today I'm not going to paint because you can refer to my video where I painted the little bee. It's the same technique, only it's bigger. The only thing different that I did was put little dots on the wings. So let's get started. Alrighty, friends. This turned out so cute and I just love it. The main thing I want to show you is how easy it is to put a bow together. Okay, let me get the one that I have ready.
I can see you went a little different with just a solidly black face on this one.
Yes, because it's going to be covered up by the florals.
Makes sense.
Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the antennas in. Oh, this just came out so good. I mean, I was real pleased with the way this came out. And it was super fast and easy to do. And I did cut this out with my hot knife. Okay, friends, what I did is I just kind of started playing with it. I got some of this greenery from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and I'm just gluing it. My glue gun's not hot yet, but that's okay. We'll get it going here in just a minute. Let me see. I'm gonna put kind of that right there. And you just play with it. It's going to be all right because it's whatever you want it to be. And you can use the flowers that you want to use. Don't have to use the same thing that I'm using. This baby's breath is really a cute add-on. I'm just going to place it there and I'll glue it in just a minute. This goes pretty fast here. And this little greenery came from some little flowers that I bought at Dollar Tree. Okay, let me see if the glue gun is ready. Oh yeah, it's ready. And I have it on low temp. And I'm leaving a gap here for the bow, and I'm going to show you how easy you can make a decorative bow that's going to wrap this project all together at one time. And friends, I wanted to point out, remember my melting pot? Look, I remade another one and it came out so cute, but I kind of like my melting one as well. I just wanted to point that out to you. Never be discouraged. It'll be okay. If it didn't work the first time, try it again. Look at that.
But the tape around the mold came out really good on there. If you look at the fitment on it versus the fitment on that one where it's sticking out.
Yes, and you know what? Your method of molding the clay to the pot was perfect because look how it just lays on there. All right, let me put some other greenery here. This is the fastest little project when you're not on camera because you know me, friends, what happens when I'm on camera. It tends to go a little. Okay, I'm just gluing that down. And I've just got some scraps of ribbon on these two particular ones. And I'm just going to make a quick bow for it. And it's probably going to go. I'm going to fold it. Then I'm going to fold it over. 1, 2, 3, 2, okay, 3 times over right there. And then I'm going to trim it. Okay, get that out of the way. Then I'm going to take this ribbon with the bees, and I got these 2 ribbons came from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to go slightly smaller on this one, so I'm going to measure about right here. I folded it in 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to give me 2 loops on each side. Maybe I'll go 1 more. Okay, friends. Then I'm going to put it, see where I'm going to give it enough overlay on the bottom one right there to be even. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it. And I'm going to cut right there in the center on each side, just a little bit, not a bunch. And then another cut. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and add this ribbon to it. And this piece as well. There's only a piece left. But you know what? I'm going to make it work. It's going to be all right. Then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner. And I'm going to give it a good tight twist. See? Ready? Cut that excess off. I'm going to dovetail. Oops, almost came down the wrong way there. There we go. Dovetail that. Do the same thing there and here. And any little tails that you have here, go ahead and dovetail as well. All right. Now you're just going to open up your loops. This needs to be dovetailed there. This goes pretty fast. You can't go wrong with a bow like this. Just open it up. It's looking cute already. just going to dovetail that piece right there. Look at that. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue it in the center. Ooh, doggy. Look at that, perfect. I'm just putting a good amount of hot glue. And then I'm holding it down. Then I'm taking this and I've just got a little sunflower from one of those little bushes of sunflowers from Dollar Tree that I used on fall projects, and look, I still had some left over for spring. Friends, it doesn't get any easier than this. How quick and easy was this? And you probably have a lot of this stuff in your, like ribbon and some of this greenery. You probably have a lot of it in your craft stash. So pull it out, friends. Cut out you a bee because I'm going to include the pattern. And let's get to crafting. Look how cute this is. Get busy and craft a bee. Look at this. Friends, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload new content. Friends, meantime, love you. Be nice to one another. Sending you crafty hugs because they're the best. Love y'all.